Welcome to Google Classroom Tutorials. This tutorial will help you learn how to do assignments and assessments posted to the Classwork page of Google Classroom. When something is posted, you will usually get a notification in your registered Gmail account. It's a good idea to check your Gmail, but for doing the work, I'll check my Classroom. So I click at the Classroom shortcut. Depending on the settings set by the teacher, you may receive the notification on the stream page as well. Let me right now go to the Classwork page. These posts are only for demo purposes. So what you have here will completely depend on the teacher and the course you are taking. Let me show you how to respond to a question posted by the teacher. So here I have a question that is posted by the teacher, and I'm going to click that open. I want to learn English 4, and there are some items there. The teacher wants me to select any one of these items. So I think I'll select this one, Canada Citizenship and Culture. And please note that once you select any one of the items, the Turn In button lights up. So you need to hit Turn In. So it says you won't be able to make changes to your answer after you submit, turn in, or cancel. So I'm going to turn in. That's done. Now let's look at another type of material that is posted on Classwork page. So let's look at the SMART goals. This is just a material, a reference material posted by the teacher. So I'm going to click View Material and click at that material. It opens, and that's for reference. But if you would like to have a copy of this, a personal copy of this, you can click at this print button, and on this window you will get a download button. So you can hit download, and that will download to your computer. Let's go back to the Classwork page. Right, so there is another activity that is posted here which says it's autobiography. And there is some information here. The teacher wants me to read that information. And then I click View Assignment. So on the top right-hand side, I have a file with my name assigned to me. In order to do this activity, you will have to click at this file. So it's all about writing my autobiography. So I start writing something, etc., etc. And then once I'm done with this, I need to hit Turn In. And it will ask me to reconfirm whether I would like to turn in, and I hit Turn In. So right now, my work has been turned in, and I need to wait till the teacher gets back to me. Let's go into other types of materials that are posted on Classwork page. So there is another activity that is posted here, which is a quiz, and I click View Assignment. So there's a quiz form, a Google form that is posted. Click at Google form and you come to this window. You are required to put your email address. So this may be turned on or off by your teacher. If it is turned on, you must put your valid email address. And then you go and answer the questions. It's a capital of Ontario, so let me answer the questions. And you hit submit once you answered the questions. And you can also click at open assignment at this point, and um, it will open the same page where it says that your work has been turned in. And that's it. And these are the different types of work that you might be doing on Classwork page in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.